First of all, our project focused on how investment in technology, particularly in UI and UX design, can enhance the success of tourism destination. We believe that the appeal of a place lies not only in its physical attractions, but also in how well it sells itself to potential visitors. So, in our group project, we will explore this concept in the context of Pulau Rusukan Besar, which known for its beautiful island. Based on our research, through the website and official page of the Pulau Rusukan Besar Resort, it provides relevant information through carefully separated sections. Their website also offers visitors a range of services related to active water recreation, including kayaking, diving, and snorkeling, and the island also has camping and picnicking amenities and equipments. Therefore, we will examine the current state of website for this destination and propose potential solutions for a better user experience and increased appeal to tourists.
The problems and challenges that most users face when using the website of Pulau Rusukan Labuan is that the lack of updated and reliable information about the booking, the accommodations. Next is inconsistent information on the website. Then is limited detailed information about the place, and poor usability and trust and credibility issue. This is because they post most of their booking, their accommodations, the activities most on social media. So the problems and challenges that user most face is all of these five, and it's make the user took more time and much time to do the survey on the website. Besides that, because of these problems and challenges, most users that try to survey on the Pulau Rusukan Labuan have the difficulties to find a trustful information whenever they want to visit the place. So these problems and challenges makes us want to create a new website for them to solve all of these problems and challenges, and in future it could make the user more easier to do bookings and serving some stuff.
Good day to Doctor. So my name is Rian. I'll be talking about why is it so important to identify and address problems on a tourism website. This is crucial for several reasons. First, enhancing user experience is essential because many travelers start their journey online. A smooth and enjoyable experience can greatly influence their decisions. Identifying issues like difficult navigation, broken links, slow loading times, and non-responsive design is crucial. Fixing these problems ensure visitors have a smooth journey on the site, encouraging them to stay longer and increasing their chances they'll make a booking. Second, ensuring accessibility means making sure everyone can use the website, including people with disabilities. For tourism website, this involves following standards like the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines (WCAG), providing text alternatives, ensuring sufficient color contrast, enabling keyboard navigations, and offering screen reader support are all ways to make the site more inclusive. This not only meets legal requirements but also broadens our potential audience. Third, maintaining a competitive advantage in the tourism industry is vital. A well-functioning website can give us a significant edge by comparing our website to competitors. We can find areas to improve, such as adding features like virtual tours, personalized recommendation, and user-generated content can attract more visitors. Continuously updating the site based on users' feedback help us to stay relevant and appealing. Lastly, building trust and reputation is crucial for a tourism website as well. Users depend on the site for reliable information and a seamless booking experience. It's important to address issues like outdated information, security risks, and inconsistent branding. Fixing these problems helps to build a trustworthy reputation, encouraging return visits, and positive words of mouth. So overall, understanding and addressing problems on a tourism website is essential to improve user experience, ensures accessibility, maintains a competitive edge, and build trust. Continuously improving the site based on a clear understanding of current challenges is key to attracting and retaining travelers in the digital age. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kuganeswari Murali. Okay, well, I'm going to explain about objective. The Rusukan Island website aims to promote the island as a top tourist destination by showcasing its scenic natural surrounding, diverse cultural and recreational offering, and it ensures visitors knowledge with comprehensive information on local traditions, cuisine and traditional sites, and assists in the trip planning with suggested lodging option and transit advance.
Next is our presence about methodology. First is user. User, we conducted a survey on targeting of 70 respondents to assess our prototype to ensure all the accessibility among user. Next is our target respondent is the age of user around like 18 and below, 19, 25, 25, 34, 45, 54, and age 55 and above. We also targeted on user that their occupation is employee, retired students, and our employee users that want to go to visit the Pulau Rusukan Besar Labuan. Next is we also targeted user from different cultures to collect the information that we all needed for our improvement in our website. Next, our presence on method use. The method use that we use in order to arrange all the method that we use is that we use a design thinking process. There are three methods that we use is that Google Forms, interview, and academic research. The first method that we use is Google Forms. In Google Forms, we use a Google Forms to gather a feedback survey on the website that we created in order to do improvements on our website. We also refine the feedback based on a 17 respondents and by analyzing the collected data. In this Google form, we also use a design thinking process to make sure all the process is according to the follow-up process. The second method is the interview. We also use a design thinking process in order to use this. In order to do interview, first we interview with the Pulau Rusukan Besar Labuan managers to gather all the information that we need. Then we gather all the information in data, and then we use the design thinking process to arrange the data to make sure that we didn't miss any details information that we need to use in order to create a website and also to do our report. The last method that we use is academic research. In academic research, we also use a design thinking process to gather all the data, all the information that we need in the academic research. In the academic research, we use journals, articles, and any news regarding the Pulau Rusukan Labuan, and then we use all this and we gather all these informations and arrange it in the design thinking process to apply it in our website and also our group project.
In this group project, we use the Moscow analysis to identify user requirements for the Pulau Rusukan Besar. The diagram above show how the Moscow analysis can be applied to the user requirement for the Pulau Rusukan website. The acronym stands for 4 categories, which is must have, should have, could have, and won't have. Firstly, must have requirements are critical for the project's success and should have are important but not necessary, while could have are desirable but necessary, and won't have are the least critical or not appropriate at the current time. As shown in the diagram, the website of Pulau Rusukan Labuan must have information about the island, booking accommodation, interactive maps, mobile responsiveness, data privacy and security, and user-friendly navigation. Besides, the website should have photo gallery, tour package, travel guides, feedback and reviews, multilingual support, and SEO optimization. Next, the website could have news update, dining options, transportation information, and user registration and login. Lastly, the website won't have live chat support, community forum, and accessibility options.
Hello, my name is Aish Dinish and I'm going to talk about chapter 3 about design principles. As you can see, UI UX design concepts are the key criteria for making user interactions with digital products successful, efficient, and pleasant. These principles cover a wide range of design consideration from aesthetic to utility, all with the goal of increasing the user satisfaction. So in our website that we have designed, we have user-centered design, where the user-centered design is the key foundation for the UI UX design. So this method empathizes the user's needs, wants, and restriction throughout the process. So we make our website depending on the feedback of our users. So the next principle that we have applied in our website design is the consistency. As you know, consistency in design refers to the consistent of use of visual and functional aspect throughout a product. This involves using consistent colors, font, button styles, and interaction patterns. So in our website design, we make sure our colors in the website is consistent, which is black, blue, and white only. We also use similar font to prevent confusion to our users. The next principle that we have applied is simplicity, which is a key concept aimed at keeping the interfaces simple and clear. Overly complicated design may confuse user and limit their ability to complete tasks. So we make our website design website simple and clear. So we build a clear and efficient user experience by breaking down the difficult processes into smaller, more manageable phases and eliminating unnecessary parts. So the next principle is feedback. Providing feedback to consumers is important for ensuring a smooth engagement in our website. Feedback can take form in the form of visual cues, animations, or text indicating the success or failure of an action. Immediate feedback allows users to quickly understand the outcome of their action and guide them through the next steps. For example, in our website, a button that changes color when clicked reassures the user that their input has been received. So move on to the next principle is visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy involves organizing items in a way that directs users' attention to the most important information first. So in our website design, this can be accomplished through the strategic use of size, color, contrast, and spacing. In our design website, visual hierarchy establishes a logical flow, allowing our users to easily locate and focus on critical tasks and information first. The effective use of visual hierarchy improves both of usefulness and aesthetic appeal of the interface. So the next one is affordance. Affordance is the perceived functioning of an element depending on its appearance. So in our website, we make sure everything of the button, sliders, link in our website is functional. Clear affordance enable our users to interact with the product without confusion or hesitation. So the next principle in our website design is flexibility and efficiency. Flexibility in our website design allows our users and consumers to adjust their experience to their specific needs and tastes. This idea also includes giving advanced choices and shortcuts for our users in order to boost their productivity and understanding about our website. The next one is error prevention and recovery. Our website design ought to aim to reduce the user errors by providing clear instruction and rules to avoid mistakes. However, when our users have acute problems, users should be able to recover quickly by just clicking the refresh button or turn back to the previous page that they have clicked. So the effective mistake prevention and recovery improve the user experience by lowering frustration and improving confidence. And then aesthetic and minimalist design. So our aesthetic website design is more than just making a product appear attractive. It also serves an important function, which is a minimalist design that eliminates unnecessary sections, focusing on what is genuinely important for our users' goal in our website. This strategy decreases cognitive strain and allow our users to focus on what is important in our website. And the last principle that we have applied in our website design is user control and freedom. Our users should feel in control on how they interact with our website design. This involves giving them simple navigation, undo options, and obvious exit points. This will ensure our users' autonomy and independence, reduce feelings of irritation and powerlessness, resulting in a more empowered user experience.
Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Azura binti Karim. My matrix number is BG22110373. Today I will be discussing about aspect design solution that address user problem. Focus on 4 key areas. First is usability and problem solving, reducing mental workload, emotional engagement, and gamification. By applying user-centered design (UCD) principle, we start by understanding the needs, goal, and pain point for our user. Techniques such as usability testing, interview, and user research provide direct insights that help us develop tailored solution. For example, the Pulau Rusukan island website, we conducted an interview with agent to identify reservation issue and discover alternative like email and Facebook for registration. We then use usability testing via Google Form to gather feedback and make necessary improvement. To reduce mental workload, we apply for progressive disclose, breaking complex text to smaller text and presenting information only when needed. This approach, combined with a clear visual hierarchy and consistent design pattern, made the website easier to navigate and understand. The emotional engagement is achieved through visual, aesthetic, and micro interaction. By using attractive colors, typography, and visual elements that resonate our target audience, we create a more inviting and pleasant user experience. For example, a smoothing blue background was used to avoid the sense of clamp. Subtle animation or micro interaction further enhance the user experience by guiding attention and adding a touch of fun to interface. Finally, we incorporated gamification to increase user engagement. Usually appealing meaning will offering various discounts encourage user interference and interaction and add the element of excitement prominently placed on the reservation page with a spin to win button. This feature attract new customer and retain existing ones by making the experience enjoyable and rewarding. By focusing on this aspect, we can create a more satisfaction and engaging experience to our user. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nadirah binti Rosli and I will present high fidelity prototype part. A high fidelity prototype is a detailed digital representation of a product that closely resembles the final design in the term of appearance and functionality. It used to test and refine the user experience before development begins. And here is our final product. This is our customer help section. Simply to click on the Ask Here button whether you have question, encounter issue or simply need guidance. This is our feedback section. By just click on the Submit Your Feedback here, customer can give their feedback and experience to us. For reservation section, by click any button Get Booking, customer can make their own booking. While this is our gamification spin to win wheels, customer can get a lot of offer by just click the wheels. Simply to click on the Click Here button, customer also can make their own booking here.
I'll be sharing the results of our usability evaluation of the Rusukan Island towards the tourism website. So first, let's look at the demographics of our survey respondents. The majority were male, while others were females, and most of the respondents were in the 19 to 24 age range, followed by those in the 25 to 34 range, and a smaller portion age is between 35 to 44. So ethnically, the majority identify as Chinese, followed by Malay, and the rest included other ethnicities such as Indian and Iban. In terms of occupation, an overwhelming majority were students. Based on the result, the overall feedback on the Rusukan Island website is highly positive. Most respondents had satisfactory experience, particularly praising the site's ease of navigations and the effective layout. As for the content accessibility, it received a strong approval with nearly all users finding the information very informative. When it comes to essential details about accommodations and activities, the majority of users were able to find all or most of the necessary information. Based on the result, it also shows that the site is widely trusted and considered reliable and by most of the users, which underscores its credibility. It is also highly effective in assisting with trip planning, demonstrating its usefulness to visitors. While the functionality is generally strong, with most of users experiencing no issues, but somehow there are minor areas that could benefit from optimization, such as improving load times. Overall, the website performs well, but ongoing enhancements can further elevate users' satisfactions and ensure it meets the diverse needs of its audience. Finally, the likelihood of users returning for the Rusukan Island website for future planning is very positive. Many respondents would definitely use the site again, and others would probably use it again somehow. Only a few were uncertain, and no respondents indicated that they would not use the website again. This shows strong user loyalty and satisfactions. So overall, the usability evaluation of the Rusukan Island website reveals generally positive feedback across all aspects. While there are some areas for improvement, the site is effective, reliable, and user-friendly. Addressing the minor issues identified can further enhance user satisfaction and retention. So thank you for your attention. That's all from me. Thank you.
Moving to the next point, which is limitation and recommendation. One of the primary issues identified in the current website of Pulau Rusukan Labuan is lack of visual content, particularly those showcasing activities, room interiors, chalets, and food. It prevents users from fully understanding what is offered, which can negatively impact their emotional engagement and confidence in making travel decisions. Another significant limitation pertains to the booking form, which can confuse users and lead to errors during the booking process just because of the lack of options and incorrect date format. Furthermore, the website employs more than 3 font types, resulting in a cluttered and inconsistent design, which making it harder for visitors to navigate the site smoothly. Lastly, the limitation that we discovered is the lack of structured testing feedback. Currently, the feedback collection methods may not be systematic enough to capture comprehensive usability issue. On the other hand, several strategic recommendations can be implemented to enhance the Pulau Rusukan Besar websites with better design and features. Firstly, the new website of Pulau Rusukan Besar has prioritized addressing the current lack of visual content by significantly increasing the number of high-quality photos available, which encompass various aspects such as activities offered on the island, detailed shots of room interiors, chalets, and image of food options available. Moreover, the booking form has been revised to include a correct date format that is standard for user. This improvement aims to streamline the booking process, making it more intuitive and user-friendly. Last but not least, by limiting the number of font types to a maximum of 3 and ensuring consistency across different sections of the website, readability and visual coherence can be significantly improved.
In the conclusion part, it's explained about the Rusukan Highland. It's established as a top tourism destination and improve user experience. Not only that, it offers the visual empowering, educational, and user-friendly platform. Using design thinking, the project embeds a user-centric approach to enhance tourism and economic growth through advanced UI UX features.